Very good morning, Srishti, as well as everyone. So my sense is that the last, I think, 3-4 days or couple of weeks have been extremely fruitful for the markets. We've recovered very strongly. We've come back from sub 22,000 mark to now 24,000 plus levels, where we are cruising in a much more stable manner. The sector churns have been very strong. We've seen classic mix of leadership sectors coming from banking, NBFCs, and then the other sectors where you've seen short covering, whether it's energy, whether it's auto, FMCG, etc. So I think we are now looking at a point where the markets could get a lot more broad-based, like what we saw yesterday. I would believe we might probably see traces of the mid caps and small caps making a comeback eventually, and with confidence oozing across many global markets, especially what happened with the US markets in the last couple of days. A couple of days back, the Dow was down 900 points. Yesterday, it recovered almost the entire loss it had done in the session prior. So that on a chart basis is what we call as a bullish engulfing pattern. All of these are very strong indicators of a major reversal which could be at play on the upside for many of the global asset classes. So that should fuel our market rally further. Expecting now 24,000 to be a strong base, and I would probably expect that the market action could now be a little bit more broad based than what we've been seeing in the last two to 3 weeks.
Okay, so those are the levels that Kunal is spotting on the upside. Aditya, hi morning, and thanks so much for joining us today. Want to get your view on the banking side, because you have Nifty Bank that's at life high, you have PSU banks that are at record high, names like Kotak, HDFC are at their individual life highs as well. Do you believe this is a too soon case for a Nifty Bank, or do you believe that this was largely factored in given the kind of correction we've seen and how banks have emerged victorious from that? Also, fundamentally, numbers have been good. What are the levels that you're spotting for Nifty Bank, and what's the outlook there?
Very good morning to everyone. Although I agree it's too much in the short term, but I think this breakout has come after a long period of consolidation, and this shows that leadership of Bank Nifty is back. Usually what we see is that Bank Nifty first breaks out and then Nifty follows. So I think this leadership will continue if we are talking about little medium term. So I think every dip is a buying opportunity in Bank Nifty, because this is a start of a fresh rally in Bank Nifty. Levels to watch out should be 54,000, which was the breakout point for Bank Nifty. If one gets the opportunity to accumulate at lower levels, then one should be bullish, not bearish. Although pullbacks and a little bit of retracement would be buying opportunity. And look at the constituents, look at Bank Nifty's components like Kotak Bank, which is breaking out after many years. So I think this will not fizzle out easily. Second one, heavyweight HDFC Bank, which is again breaking out after many years of consolidation. So long way to go for Bank Nifty to rally ahead, and the outlook is bullish.